All Saints Cathedral Diocese of Northeast India yesterday remembered the departed souls of all soldiers who passed away during the war. Speaking on the gathering, Reverend Michael Herons, Bishop of the Diocese of Northeast India, said, "We remembered all the departed souls who laid their lives protecting the people of the country." Speaking at the prayer service, Air Marshal S.P. Dharkar, AVSM Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Air Command, said, "It's a blessing for all the soldiers who passed away." He thanked the All Saints Church for the prayer service.
Is touched by the absence of a dear one, whether that be family, a friend, a senior or superior, and sometimes not so often a subordinate. And yet it is important for us to remember that the sacrifice of these who are not with us today should not go in vain, that what they fought for, often referred to as for the flags of their fathers,